If your outdoor activities need a portable table, then you should check out this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. And I also picked up this. It's a little portable table because I thought, hey, why sit around if you don't have a place to put your drink? So this is really interesting because this table fits in a little drawstring sack. Well, now you can use these for camping or just having a good time in your backyard or going to movies in the park or concerts in the park. And I want to show you this table here because it looks like it's pretty straightforward. What we get here is an aluminum frame. Looks like really robust nylon or plastic hardware for the top here. The hinges where they're all connected. And then on the bottom here, that same nylon or plastic feet. And so I just want to show you here, looks like it's going to be pretty simple to set up. I just open this sucker up and we get a base here. And then when you have it open like this, you have these two flailing arms here. And what you'll notice is that on the underside of each of these arms, there's a little hole. And that hole is going to go into a little peg, a little molded in pin inside of the opposite joint here. So I'm going to go ahead and pivot this around and then slide this in and press that hole on top of that little pin. All right, kind of clicks in there, so that one's in place. And then I'm going to take the other flopping one here and slide it around and also just slide it down there and press it all the way in. So now we have this little cube. Now, these two bars are also going to be on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and set that down there. And then I'm going to take the top here, which is held together with this elastic strap. So I can just undo those. I love the fact that they include everything here to hold everything together to make it really easy to take with you. And then what we have are these aluminum panels held together with an elastic strap. So you can see that. Man, I think this is all black powder coat. It is really nicely made. Now, what's interesting about this is that on these two outer panels, we have this round bar that goes through each of them, and that is going to snap into the top here. So we have a slot on each of these where those round bars are going to snap into each of these sides. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to take this round bar and I'm going to slot it in this side right there and press that in. And then I'm going to take the same one and press it into here. And now I have a legit outdoor little table here for camping. And combine that with my camping chair, I have my own little setup here to enjoy the evening. Now, the thing I really like about this is that this is really robust. I mean, it's all metal construction, so it's not going to flex. It's not going to warp in the sun or in rain or anything like that. And I can find my favorite beverage, put it on here, put some weight on this thing, probably put some hot pots, plates, those types of things. I don't have to worry about it collapsing. I don't have to worry about the heat maybe burning through it or anything like that. And it makes it also really light and durable. So the fact that I can take this, put it in this little drawstring stuff sack here and take it with me anywhere just means that I can bring a little civilization to the outdoors when I go hiking, camping, backpacking, or just spend a little time in the backyard. So if adding a little civility to your next outdoor event is going to make your life a little better, then I would recommend picking this up. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.